Hey guys, it's Lauren with WTI, and I have the Becky Cameron Down Alternative Comforter. So I have had down comforters in the past. I use them for duvets, and then I discovered that I was allergic to them. So when I found this, which is the down alternative, I was so excited. It's so soft and comfortable, and what I really love especially is that with the down, you have to take it to the dry cleaner. With this, I just pop this in the wash machine. It cleans up really nice, and it comes out and it's fluffy and it's amazing. I use it on top of my bed. I had thought about stuffing it into a duvet, but it's so cute and soft and comfortable that I thought, hey, I'll just throw it over the top of my bed, and it looks wonderful. So if you are looking for something like this, I highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.